Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, you're probably thinking, who the hell is this guy? Well, today guys, I'm going to be showing you the best Uniqlo promo codes and discount codes, and these are working in 2023, and then will also continue to work as we move into 2024. Uniqlo promo codes are pretty difficult to find usually, and if you do find one, they very rarely actually save you money. Well, today guys, I'm going to be showing you a $100 off your next order code, and there is also a 50% off your next order, and these work site-wide. You can apply these against any products in the sale, full price. Obviously they have to be in stock, and yeah. So I'm going to be running through the steps, guys, so use your mobile phone. I'm going to be recording mine so you can all follow along, and yeah, let's get you these Uniqlo promo codes. So you can see, open up an internet browser on your phone, and you need to go to this website, guys, www.giftcardhero.net. So you need to go to giftcardhero.net. Pretty cool website. If you don't see this homepage you see on the screen here, you've gone to the wrong website, so just make sure you go to the correct one. And you can see, guys, there's so many different pages on here, it's going to be difficult to navigate manually. So if you press this green menu button at the bottom and go to search, you can literally just type in Uniqlo and press search, and it will come up Uniqlo promo codes 2023. So yeah, just tap to open this page up. Oh, okay, so there is not a 50% code anymore. But yeah, anyway, you can see this has been verified pretty high, rated pretty highly by verified users. And if you scroll down, so there was a 50% off code, but they've obviously removed that now. So there is a $100 off code, which is still pretty good. And I tried this personally. You can literally add like $105 to the basket and use this code and only pay $5. So it's pretty cool. And you can, here I'm in the UK, so these will just transfer to your local currency. So for me, it saves me around 80 Great British pounds, depending on the exchange rate. So anyway, you can see this is a Uniqlo $100 off your order for new and existing customers. So it doesn't matter if you're an existing customer, you can still use this code, and it's been verified today. So tap on this green button that says reveal promo code, and you're going to see this screen here. Essentially, guys, we need to just verify ourselves. This protects the codes to ensure real people get them and not robots looking to make a profit. So to get our code, we need to complete 2 of these tasks below. They're all completely free, and it's going to take you around 5 minutes, which I know is annoying, but yeah, if you value $100, then it's a no-brainer to do this. So you're going to get a list of tasks. These tasks can range from downloading apps and opening them up to answering some questions in questionnaires. You just need to complete 2 tasks following the steps and instructions that it states below them. So as an example, you can see this travel town. It says download and complete level 10. So this is like a free game, and once you download it, you would have to play it until level 10. If you choose this one, you can choose other ones. So for example, you'd click on it, it will take you to the official app store, and yeah, I have to basically download this game and then play it until level 10. If you choose to do questionnaires, which are pretty quick and easy, you can see this one. It says enter your email and complete steps. So once again, you could click on that one and answer whatever questions. It's only like quick, easy questionnaire. And then you have to input your working and valid email address. It's important to put in your correct email if you choose to do these questionnaires, because it does verify you as a real person. So let me pause the video. I'm going to finish off both of those tasks, and then I'll come back. Okay guys, so I've returned, and I just went ahead and I did those 2 tasks I showed you previously. So I had to basically download that game, and then I played it until level 10. It did take me around 5 to 10 minutes, but I didn't mind it. It's quite a fun game, and I mean, yeah, we're getting a $100 Uniqlo promo code, so it's well worth it. Then I just went ahead and completed a questionnaire. So yeah, pretty easy. And yeah, once you've done that, hit your tabs button, and if you've done everything correctly, when you go back to this gift card hero tab and scroll down, you should see, yes, there you go. So it's given me my Uniqlo code for $100 off my next order. So all I have to do is basically copy that code, and I can enter it into the Uniqlo basket or during checkout, and it's going to remove $100. The only stipulation is, guys, you have to add obviously over $100 worth of product or the equivalent in your local currency for this code to be applied. These codes are one-time use. I'm going to be using this in a minute, so this is going to be invalid. So you're going to need to go to giftcardhero.net and get your Uniqlo promo codes. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you need any help, you can of course leave a comment in the comment section below. Always willing to help you guys out. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.